Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to install Snapchat on PC or laptop. If you're using PC or any laptop and then you want to install Snapchat on your system, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply press the window button and here you have to look for Microsoft Store or you can directly search for Microsoft Store. Just open the app here and now in this section you'll find a search bar over here. Just tap on search bar and here you have to simply search for Snapchat. And once you have searched, you'll get that app here, just like search for Snapchat, and just select the app and install it from here. You might get here option of install or get. So just tap on that option, and Snapchat will be installed on your system. So now you just have to simply log in with your account here. Once you have logged in, you can easily use your Snapchat here. Or you have a second way, you can easily use your Snapchat on your browser. Just open any browser and in your browser you just have to simply search for Snapchat. Open the first website here. Now here you have to log in with your account. You can also use Snapchat on your browser without installing this. So in this way you can easily use Snapchat on your PC or on your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.